Done?
Oh yes, darling.
I need a new car. What about that?
I hope Ferrari will do.
Really? It's okay. I love that. Thank you.
You are darling.
And me too, Chief. I need to change my classmates.
Oh yeah? Haven't you checked your account?
No.
There's something reasonable there.
Wow. Thank you very much.
That is why I'm calling down.
I promise to make it up to you tonight like never before.
Let's say that again. Let's say that again.
Don't. The deal will be sealed. Sealed. Bring him in. Right, move. Yeah, move here right now. Walk up with already. Father, I said walk up. Play here right now. Walk up.
Take him away.
Yeah. Okay. Walk up. If I play a fucking little head wide of the pool. Move before I shoot you now. Yeah. Move. Why don't you? Stupid boy. We told you that you move. Yeah. This way. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Last one. Move. Sitting there. Idiot. Sitting there. Come on.
No, so.
Just keep your mouth shut there. Any more word from you, be a dead man right now.
I said you go collect for the, you go collect for this time your father Yash. You don't make
sure you keep your eyes on this guy. While I go to the boss.
Fucking shit, man.
Give me the gun, Oga. Look at deal with her. Up the one go take cash on her. Yeah, no, don't.
Make sure you monitor his movement.
You the gun shirt. Your father Yash. I dey talk to you. You dey do yes. If you talk, I mean, what? Huh? See your face. Father Yash. Who be this, man? Hey, I see this. This song dey kill me. Hey! You supposed to dance now. As I talk to you know, man. Hey! Hello? I greet you. No. One guy out there around me, so I didn't tell you so. Okay, now you call me later. You don't sing this song. You want to tell the entire music now, there. You don't sing this song.
Bro, no, let me sing that song. My song.
Okay, now this one make the truth. Say me I kidnap you. You feel sing this song?
Let me sing this song, my song.
Your song?
My song.
Okay, who singer?
No, my song. Maybe TTY.
Allah. Not the life for you. Not the life for you. I'm gonna say my boss not the come. Look up. What goes on? All the boss. All the boss.
Hey, bros.
TTY?
Shema, you know me.
Don't you know this man?
Okay,
I tell you before. I told you now. I said I'm.
This is TTY.
Okay. Now you know the TTY.
See, my connection will not get us out of this trouble.
Okay, now this one be TTY.
The Italian government, the Nigerian community, funky for entertainment.
Okay.
My dear.
Now you be TTY.
I told you before now.
Emiola. Hey, Oga. Oga, I got watch no picture. Oga, no best. Hey, all the boss.
Look at this madman.
Oga, wait. Hey. Oga, no, say na be TTY. And the upper.
Jaguar! Yes, boss! Jaguar! Yes, boss!
TTY.
Take this idiot out of this place.
Hey, Oga, I beg one more picture. TTY.
Take this idiot out of this place.
Hey, TTY. No.
Listen to me. This man here, his video premiere is on the 16th of this month, few days from now.
Ah, thank God, oh. You see why they take it easy with you? You see why they take it easy with you?
Take this man away. This one, are you stupid? Take this man away.
I said the old papa. Hey.
Don't.
I beg, me don't want to lose.
Get out of this place.
I beg the dog. Me, I want. Dog. I beg.
What up? See how it is, man. On the 16th of December, this month, a few days from now, it's gonna be my video premiere. You know, it's gonna be taking place at Karaoke nightclub, Torino. Make no mistakes about it. Be there. Don't miss it, okay? It's gonna be hot. A lot of stars on the beauty. Now, Sister Genesis, Young Luck J, Keys. Y'all gonna be there live, you know. Make no mistakes about it. They can't get me now. What's up?